Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're about to update Audacity now. Check Help About and record whether you have 32-bit or 64-bit. Next, back up your projects, libraries, and custom presets to a separate folder or external drive so nothing is lost. Once backed up, close Audacity and other audio programs to release locked files. Make sure you have at least 100 MB free space. This gets the environment ready and prevents version conflicts. Now you can proceed to download and install safely. Now download the proper installer matching your OS and 32/64-bit choice. This prevents incompatible binaries. Once downloaded, run the installer with administrator rights so it can update shared components. Follow prompts to upgrade or replace the existing installation. When asked, choose to preserve your settings unless you want a clean install. If the installer offers optional libraries or drivers, install them to restore full functionality. After installation completes, restart the computer if prompted to finalize system-level changes. Finish by launching Audacity and confirming the version matches the update. Load one backed-up project and test playback and recording to ensure devices operate correctly. Make sure Preferences devices shows the intended input/output and sample rates. Adjust and test again. If plugins or libraries fail, reinstall them or run the installer repair option. Key troubleshooting. If Audacity behaves oddly, quit the app and rename your configuration folder to force default settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.